Then I looked up, and there before me was a man with a measuring line in his hand. I asked, "Where are you going?" He answered me,
"To measure Jerusalem, to find out how wide and how long it is."
While the angel who was speaking to me was leaving, another angel came to meet him and said to him,
"Run, tell that young man, Jerusalem will be a city without walls because of the great number of people and animals in it. And I myself will be a wall of fire around it, declares the Lord. And I will be his glory within."
Come, flee from the land of the north,
declares the Lord.
For I have scattered you to the four winds of heaven,
declares the Lord.
Come, Zion, escape, you who live in daughter Babylon.
For this is what the Lord Almighty says.
After the glorious one has sent me against the nations that have plundered you, for whoever touches you touches the apple of his eye. I will surely raise my hand against them, so that their slaves will plunder them. Then you will know that the Lord Almighty has sent me. Shout and be glad, daughter Zion, for I am coming, and I will live among you, declares the Lord. Many nations will be joined with the Lord in that day, and will become my people. I will live among you, and you will know that the Lord Almighty has sent me to you. The Lord will inherit Judah as his portion in the Holy Land, and will again choose Jerusalem. Be still before the Lord, all people, because he has roused himself from his holy dwelling.